how to buy Infinity Money Glitch token. So this token came under the symbol of IMGB. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to was on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check the amount in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 hours ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, this token trending number 2 in the Binance Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Binance Smart Chain network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now, I will log into my wallet first. Now, after that, click here on the select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. So after you find it, click on it and now click on swap here. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy IMGB token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.